Hey, good morning, guys. It's about 8:30 over here in Sacramento, and it's so cold outside. I have ice on my car, on the mirror, on the front window, on the door, as you see, on there, all on the roof. Along the whole car, it's ice. Let me check my phone here real quick. Yeah, my phone says it's 28 degrees out here. 28 degrees. See all the ice here on the trunk? Watch. See? Look at that. Ice. So yeah, people, it's really cold here. Look on the handle, all ice. On the hood too, I mean, it's crazy. Look. All ice. And it's 28 degrees out here this morning in Sacramento. I mean, that's freezing cold compared to Paris weather. You know, look. See all the ice? So yeah, that's just my little video showing you guys how cold it gets out here in Sacramento. So, later guys.